Traders, let's take a look at what's on the move this morning. On the move, we got IBM up over 6%, almost 3 million traded pre-market. That's in play. SPCE space up over 2%, almost 250,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. Roku up over 4%, over 150,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. We got quite a few here we can work with. We also stream these every weekday morning alongside market gauges SPY, QQQ, DIA, and VXX. If you're interested, you can check us out around 8 a.m. So let's go trade. JKS, we're going to short this right here. We can get in this. All right, we are short. It's already pulling back hard. We are short at 54.40 here. It's a bit scary because if we look at the daily, look at this stock has climbed huge, just kept going. And today is the first real big monster pullback here besides this one. And it came right after a big day. So I'm thinking it's gonna drop here down to at least below the lows here. And we're gonna see if we can bring this down to at least 53.50 area, at least below 53.50. Stop loss is going to be over 55.25 here. We passed over it briefly, but we don't come out of the trade if it just goes there right away. We wait. But it looks like it's going to climb here. All right, let's come out of this. All right, we're out. It should have dropped there. It's pulling back here, so we took a 55-cent loser. Look at JKS. It would have worked out. I should have held on a little bit longer. All right, we are long BYND at 195.22. We want this over 196. We think it's gonna take out 196 and probably go right to 196.50. So that's going to be the target. 196.50. Stop loss will be below. Stop loss will be right around 94.30, and we just hit our stop loss area. Let's see what happens here. All right, let's come out of this. All right, we're out. We're out. We took a 0.20 cent loser on it, just because the market is just dropping here. Two good-sized losers off bat. That's not good. Roku, let's take this for a long right here. We're long Roku at 226.71. This is a real nice bull flag here formation. We think this thing will go at least to 228 fairly quickly. Let's take a look at this thing up close. We're going to give this at least a 1.5 target, 1.5 stop. So stop will be somewhere around below 225.50, and target, we like this over 228. Looks really nice here for a breakout, a good sized breakout. So let's see what happens here. Here we go. Alright, we're going to try to come out of this here. It's having a hard time. Alright, we're out. And it's probably going to, oh, there it is. There it is. We come out of it and the thing goes, finally. That stinks. But that's okay. We took a little over 70 cents. IBM, we're going to short this right here at the ask. I'm going to try to push this down a little bit. Come on. Alright, we're in. We are in. I think this thing is top heavy here. So we think it's going to drop down to at least below 133. That's going to be the target. Below 133. We can see if we can get more than a point off of this. Plus will be over 135.15 area, about a point. There we go. Let's see if we can keep this thing going here down to at least 133. Come on. A lot of stops in this area, a lot of stops. Alright, let's come out of this. Come on. Alright, we're out. Nice. Nice. I wanted a little bit more than a point, but we got 2 cents shy of a point. Alright, we are short Roku. We think this thing will continue to drop here for a little bit more, at least down to below 225. Let's take a look at this thing up close. We're going to see if we can get a little over a point off of this. See if the target on this will be around 224.50. Stop loss will be over 226.80 area. Here it comes. Here it comes. If this thing can crack 225, we'll probably just take it. just because it's up quite a bit. So come on, a little bit more here. Here we go. Here we go. Just snap it, and then we'll take it. There we go. Let's take this right here. Come on. Come on. Now don't pull back. Don't pull back. One more push down. Nice, nice. Nice. We didn't get a full point. We got about 95 cents. Alright, we are short. JKS. It's a little risky because of the daily. Daily is super strong. This thing is a beast. But look at that thing. It's climbed from 20 all the way to 55. And it's taken a breather today. So it dropped today. Open and it just dropped all day. Till a few candles ago where we got a pullback. And now this pullback is having a little bit of a hard time in this area. So we think it's just going to drop right back down to low of day. So target's going to be around 52.50 area. Alright, here we go. We might take it if once it cracks 53, just because I've been had a couple of good sized losers this morning, so whatever I can get back, I'm gonna get back. But I'm hoping to get this down to 52.50. That's gonna be my target, where I'll be pretty happy about it. Stop loss will be over 54.30 area. JKS. Alright, here we go. That's what I was looking for. Nice breakdown here. Let's see if we can take this down to 52.50. But I am tempted to come out of this right here. Alright, let's take this here. Alright, we're out. Now watch. It's probably going to drop now. I did. Everything was telling me to wait because this thing's probably going to break the lows here and just collapse right down to at least 52. I should have waited. But, you know, there it is. Look. Boom. But we took, what is that, 45 cents? Anyways, traders, I think that's going to be it for us today. We had a rough start. We had two good-sized losers right off bat, but we made it back and some. We're up 251. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 4 winners, 2 losers. Our biggest winner on IBM and our biggest loser on BYND. Thanks for watching.